It's meal prep day again, so let's meal prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner that will get you over 100 grams of protein per day. But first, let's go to the grocery store to get the ingredients. First, I'm meal prepping breakfast. For breakfast, I'm making blueberry chia pudding parfaits. First, I'm prepping the chia pudding, so I'm mixing together chia seeds, almond milk, a little bit of maple syrup, and vanilla extract for some flavor. Then I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I mix again. This just prevents that there won't be any lumps. Then I put it into the fridge to set for about 2 hours. When the chia pudding is ready, I make the yogurt layer, so I just mix together low-fat and lactose-free Greek yogurt and thawed frozen wild blueberries. If you aren't the biggest fan of blueberries, you can of course use any other berries or fruit you like. I've made this with raspberries and mango before, and they both worked perfectly. The ready chia pudding should look like this, so it should be very thick. Then I'm just building the parfaits, so first I'm adding the chia pudding. Then I'm adding the yogurt berry layer, and lastly I'll add some homemade granola on top. The recipe for the granola is in the description box. Instead of cinnamon, I added some gingerbread spice to it for Christmassy flavor. You can of course add the granola on top just before serving to keep it crunchier. This is such an easy and yummy breakfast idea, and it will get you over 30 grams of protein. Then I'm making pesto pasta bake for lunch. First, I'm cooking pasta. I'm using lentil pasta this time, but you could also use chickpea pasta. They're both high in protein. Then I pour the cooked pasta into a lightly greased baking dish. Then I add a lot of grape tomatoes and some pesto, and then I just stir to combine. And lastly, I'm just sprinkling some shredded cheese on top. So you only need 4 ingredients to make this pasta bake. Then I bake it at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes. For a snack, I'm prepping gingerbread protein bites. So I'm mixing together vegan protein powder, unsweetened peanut butter, some almond milk, and maple syrup for sweetness. And then I'm also adding some vanilla extract and gingerbread spice for some flavor. The mixture should be quite sticky, but you should still be able to roll it into balls. And then you can roll the balls in crushed gingerbread cookies. This recipe makes about 12 bites in 4 servings, so 1 serving is 3 bites. And depending on the protein powder and peanut butter you use, 1 serving should have around 18 to 20 grams of protein. These bites are super fudgy and they taste just like gingerbread cookie dough. For dinner, I'm prepping burrito bowls. First, I'm cooking some chicken mince and rice. Then I season the chicken mince with salt, pepper, paprika spice, some chives. If you don't have IBS, you can of course add some garlic or onion to this as well. Then I'm also adding some ground cumin, ground coriander, and a pinch of chili powder. Then I add 2 cans of black beans and 2 cans of corn. Then I just stir to combine. I recommend using a bigger pan than I did. Then I just put them into glass containers and store in the fridge, and then reheat just before serving. I like to serve them with some lettuce, cucumber, bell pepper, and low-fat sour cream. You could of course use this as a burrito filling and add some salsa. Unfortunately, I cannot eat it because of my IBS, but it would work perfectly with this. And here are all the ready meals. Those were all the meals I meal prepped today, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Be sure to have your notifications on so you won't miss any of my new meal prep videos. Hope you check the recipes. Enjoy!